Gentle. Why don't you come sit right here? Come to him instead of dragging him to you. Come sit right here.
No.
You want me to hand Walter to you? Now you can't hurt him, baby.
Say, trudge.
Let's do like we did earlier. Here. Okay, right there. Cuddle. You got him? Have you got him? Hold him. Cuddle his neck. Not too hard. No, you cuddle with Ronan. I mean, you cuddle with Waddy. You wanted to cuddle. You're getting a cuddle.
Good